Have you ever felt like your past is holding you hostage? Like no matter how hard you try to move on, those memories just won't let go. Today, we're diving deep into the world of trauma and stress-related disorders, those invisible chains that can keep us from living our best lives. So, grab a comfy seat and let's unravel this together. Let's start with reactive attachment disorder, or RAD. This disorder often affects children who have experienced severe neglect or instability in their early relationships. Imagine a child who has been shuffled between foster homes, never really knowing what it means to feel safe and loved. Children with RAD may appear withdrawn or emotionally detached. They often find it difficult to connect with others, leading to feelings of fearfulness and sadness in social situations. The impact of these early experiences can last a lifetime if not addressed. Next up is post-traumatic stress disorder, commonly known as PTSD. This condition can develop after someone has experienced or witnessed a traumatic event. Think of natural disasters, serious accidents, or violent encounters. Imagine a soldier returning home after combat, haunted by memories that replay in their mind like a broken record. PTSD manifests through intrusive memories and flashbacks that disrupt daily life. Those affected may feel constantly on edge, experiencing heightened anxiety and emotional numbness. Now let's explore acute stress disorder, or ASD. This disorder occurs shortly after a traumatic event, typically within 3 days to 1 month, and shares many symptoms with PTSD. Picture someone who has just survived a car accident. They may experience intense anxiety and dissociative symptoms as they struggle to process what happened. While some people may recover naturally over time, others may require intervention to prevent the development of PTSD. Next is adjustment disorder, which arises when someone struggles to cope with a significant life change or stressor, like losing a job or going through a breakup. Imagine facing an unexpected job loss. The emotional response can be overwhelming and disproportionate to the situation itself. Those experiencing adjustment disorder may find it difficult to function in daily life, highlighting the importance of support and coping strategies during challenging times. Now let's discuss prolonged grief disorder, a condition that occurs when grief persists for an extended period following the death of a loved one. Consider someone who lost their partner several months ago, but still feels an intense longing and emptiness every day. Their grief can become all-consuming, affecting their ability to engage fully with life. Acknowledging this pain and seeking help is crucial for healing. Finally, we have disinhibited social engagement disorder, or DSED. This disorder typically affects children who have experienced severe neglect during their formative years. Imagine a child who approaches strangers without hesitation, running up to anyone at the park as if they were long-lost friends. This behavior stems from their inability to form secure attachments due to inconsistent caregiving, highlighting the profound impact early experiences have on social behaviors later in life. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at trauma and stress-related disorders that can shape our lives in profound ways. These conditions may be invisible, but their effects are deeply felt in everyday life. If you or someone you know is navigating these challenges, remember, seeking help is not just okay. It's essential for healing and growth. Together, we can break those invisible chains holding us back.